Hello fam, right now I'm going to share with you a very important trick to remove the background of image. So we are going to go direct into one of the picture that we are going to edit right now. So I'm going to put this picture right here. So let me drop in there. You can see that picture right there. So this is the picture that we are going to change. So how can we change the background? So just stick with me. So let me move this thing aside here. Okay, the next move, what we're gonna do right now is by simply uh, going direct into the tools. We have this tool right here. This tool will help us to select the background by simply clicking, and we can just drag it like that. So the next thing is simply delete it like that. So you press the delete button. So now we can delete it again. So we can come here. Okay, sorry. Let me simply go direct into that tools again and delete that. So something like that. So the next move is how can we remove this picture, this background. So I'm not gonna do anything right now about this. I'm not gonna use this tool right here. I'm going to use a pen tool, P on the keyboard, and I will simply go direct into this, and I'm going to remove what I do not want from this place. So I can simply bring it like this. Okay, just like that. So let me simply go there and click. Control enter is to select the area which you selected already, and then delete. So now press Z on your keyboard and then fit on the screen. So the next move is to remove this place right here, and this place right here, since this is a normal background, I will simply go direct into the tool, the first tools, which is by selecting W on your on your keyboard. So we are going to remove that by that. So now Z is to fill in, or let fit in into the screen like that. So now we are done. The next move is how can we bring in any background from here. So let's try to take this background into the picture which we have here, or we can simply take this picture right now, the one that we have right here, and we put it that side. Okay, so let me simply drag it and put it there, or in this place. Hold on. So we'll normally take that there. Sorry guys. Okay, hold on. Okay, let me go back again. Okay, right now let me bring in, I will simply take it and drag it right here. Okay, just like this. Okay, we have a little bit of problem. Okay, not a problem. So let's simply control A and C to copy that, and then control V to bring it into the scene, just like that. So now we can simply do this like that, and then as you can see, we are going to make sure we duplicate this one. Let's duplicate that, and we can put it there. Okay, let me take it out there, just like that. So you can see that. I'm going to do a little trick right now on this. I'm going to make sure that I do it correctly. Let me simply do this right here, just like that. Okay, all right. So there. Okay, there we can simply bring in anything. Okay, so just something like that. Okay, so now we have that. Okay, so that is what we have right now. Okay, yeah, perfect. So we are done. Thank you for watching, guys. Bye bye.